Pumpkin butter year round. You don't have to wait till the fall for this, because who don't want a buttery, mouth-watering pumpkin butter biscuit? I know I sure do. So come shopping with me. Let's get the stuff, make it. You're gonna love it. Grab you a couple cans of pumpkin puree. You're gonna need 2 to make you a good old batch. To make it amazing, get the monk fruit sweetener as well as the coconut sugar. That way it won't spike your blood levels as much. Grab you 2 lemons, because you're gonna need some lemon juice. They feel good, they're pretty big here. And go ahead and grab you a can of biscuits, unless you want to make them yourself. I have these really nice organic biscuits, as well as some crispy sourdough crackers. We want soft and crunchy. Let's recap everything we're gonna need. You're gonna need coconut sugar. You're gonna want a 1/2 cup. Monk fruit, full cup. 2 cans of pumpkin puree. You need 2 whopping teaspoons full of pumpkin spice. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You're also going to want a Immersion blender, otherwise just whisk it on up. Get you a saucepan and get ready to put it on medium or warm heat. To throw it all into a pot, you don't need to separate it into bowls. Start mixing that really good. I have it on low simmering. I let it cook for about 15-20 minutes or so. Look how thick it got. The whole room smelled amazing. It's super thick. We ate it immediately. I also put some in the refrigerator, and we had leftovers, so I can take it in a jar and we can use it up again another day. The pumpkin butter tastes way better than apple butter to me, especially with homemade butter on a biscuit. There ain't nothing better. You can use it on toast, biscuits, rolls. Make you an almond butter, peanut butter sandwich. Just a nice spread. Use it as a pumpkin pie filling. It's extremely versatile, plus it's a superfood. It is amazing. Eat pumpkin every day. Look how nice it turned out, nice and thick. I'm having a late night snack. I'm going to put it on this really nice sourdough cracker. But this mouth-watering biscuit, you're gonna want it on your face right now. Yum, yum, get you some.